Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today, talking about adding ribbon to a bouquet. Here's an easy way, and you may have seen Teacher Annie do it. This is her tip for you. Start with waterproof tape, and you wrap that around the bouquet. So that's how you're securing it. Go around once, then after you overlap, twist it so that the sticky side is out. Continue wrapping, leaving that sticky side exposed. Then do one last flip just to secure it back together and give it a cut. And you have a nice base to use for your ribbon. And all you've got to do is take the ribbon, stick it on, and it stays. The magic, wrap it around, give it a cut, fold it under so that you've got a nice clean edge, line everything up, and go back with your decorative pins and pin it right in place. Now you know how the pros do it.